How far would this tenor go towards funding Metrolink, a multi-billion-euro project to tunnel trains under Dublin and out to the airport? One frustrated commuter put this to the test recently when they wrote to Transport Minister Darragh O'Brien complaining of spending hours every day jammed in traffic while hearing of big projects in the distant future which aim to make Dublin better. They claimed it's impossible to live in Dublin without owning a car. Then finally they signed off their letter by saying, "Finally, I enclose a donation of €10 to help fund Metrolink construction. Yours sincerely, etc." This letter is among dozens we've obtained under Freedom of Information which were sent to Mr O'Brien this year about Metrolink and Dublin's transport woes. Many of the letters were supportive of the Metro project, urging the government to get a move on and progress it. Others were less supportive, with one correspondent telling the minister Metrolink is a wombat. They later clarified this meant waste of money, brains and time. Some who wrote to the minister put forward Metrolink alternatives. Several suggested it would be better to run a railway from Malahide or other North Dublin towns to the airport and link it to existing rail infrastructure. A few of the emails to Mr O'Brien recommended abandoning the underground plan in favour of an overhead system or monorail that would run between the airport and Dublin city centre. You can read more on this in the Irish Independent.